Hello, this is Sir Medel from San Luis National High School, Division of Pampanga. Okay, I am a TVL FBS teacher. Now I'm going to show to you kung paano mag-table napkin ng tinatawag natin na bird of paradise. Okay, so bird of paradise, this is normally ang itsura ng bird of paradise. So paano ba ito ginagawa? Okay, using a table napkin with a size of 20 by 20, standard size. Okay, ang gagawin lang natin, so i-fold lang natin siya into small square. Okay, so triangular muna, and then another folds to form a square. So makikita mo dito sa first square na to, meron siyang 4 na leaves sa isang corner. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, kailangan yung 4 na leaves sa isang corner nasa pinaka-peak or nasa pinaka-ibabaw mo. Okay? And then, all you have to do is, i-fold natin to ito small triangular. Okay? This way. Kailangan, once again, yung 4 leaves nasa ibabaw pa rin. Okay? 1, 2, 3, and 4. Yung 4 leaves is nasa ibabaw pa rin. And then, hawak lang natin yung apex ng ating table napkin. Tapos, ito yung pinakadulo ng bottom. Hawakan mo lang din. Okay? And then, ang gagawin lang natin, yung edge is i-fold natin hanggang gitna. Hand iron. And then do it the same again on the other side. On the other side, fold lang din natin. Okay? And hand iron natin. Ganito ang magiging itsura niya. Okay? And then from this way, ang gagawin lang natin, upside down. Okay? Tapos, iipitin lang natin itong excess. Okay, ganito yung itsura niya, and then babaliin natin. Hanggang magmukha siya ng para siyang dwarf shoe. Okay? So, ganyan na magiging itsura niya. Okay? Again, yung 4 leaves is nasa ibabaw pa rin. Ang gagawin natin doon sa 4 leaves is ipupulang natin siya. Okay? 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then, i-arrange lang natin siya ng maayos. Para magmukha siyang bird of paradise. Bird of paradise is, ito yung, it's a flower. Okay? Na ganito yung itsura niya. Okay, yung pinakabulaklak niya. So, this is the birds of paradise. Okay? Saan ba karaniwan nilalagay o ginagamit? Sa paano paraan karaniwan ginagamit ang bird of paradise? Kadalasan nilalagay yan sa mga baso like in water goblet. This is a water goblet. Tapos nilalagay siya sa ibabaw para magmukha siyang bird of paradise talaga. Okay, so once again, this is our 4th table napkin. Okay, the bird of paradise.